What CAD CAM software would you use to build luxury helicopters? Well, we're here to find out.
Hill Helicopters are the designers, developers and manufacturers of the Hill HX50 5-seat turbine light helicopter. We're actually bringing helicopter manufacturing back to the UK for the first time in 50 years. To sell an effective general aviation light helicopter, you have to really match the price point of high-end supercars, and to do that you really can't turn to the existing aerospace supply chain. So we've had to develop a vertically integrated manufacturing strategy where we manufacture everything in-house from scratch. So we've had to develop the whole machining capability, the whole composites capability for a whole aircraft, a whole transmission system and a gas turbine engine. So that's been an enormous undertaking. We have a bunch of technology partners that have helped us essentially drag ourselves up the learning curve to be able to physically machine parts, cast parts, make composite components. OpenMind and hyperMILL have been an instrumental knowledge partner and a support partner in enabling us to program and manufacture complex machine components in a wide variety of materials.
So we were invited by Hill Helicopters. They actually approached us with what they call their compressor wheel, which to me is an impeller, and it was very challenging with very small gaps. It was a challenge for sure that they gave us, but from that, obviously there's many parts that they want to make, but the relationship has grown as they've bought more equipment for themselves. That they've increased their usage of hyperMILL as well.
Fundamentally, at this stage in the development, our sole objective is to get through the development of parts and subsystems as fast as possible. Pretty much everything we do on every single machine that you've seen here today is a first off, it's a one-off. So it's crucial that we can manage the risk of a programmer error or a machine crash while we're going through these sorts of development phases at pace. The virtual machine capability within OpenMind is absolutely crucial to us being able to do that with the minimum risk and the maximum confidence possible as quickly as possible.
So Virtual Machine and Optimizer on the gantry mill is ensuring that they cover things like rewinds automatically. It means as a programmer, you program as normal, even though the machine is complex. And with having the digital twin setup and Optimizer, we automatically ensure that it is collision free and it can run within the machining envelope comfortably. I think the main aim here with regards to being efficient is the fact that they're having lots of changes and lots of parts coming through for the first time. So hyperMILL is enabling them to really optimise the programs, first of all for prove out fit for function, but also to make sure that they're going to be valid in the production environment as well.
We program milling and turning with hyperMILL, and it's absolutely instrumental to us being able to rapidly develop literally hundreds of complex components in a wide variety of materials to extremely tight tolerances.
So being invited into Hill Helicopters at such an early stage before machines and before programmers were here, it's been really exciting to be part of this helicopter, watching it grow and watching the company grow along with us.
So I've been dreaming about making this helicopter since I was a little boy, and so to find myself 44 years later in a position where this thing is becoming physical and it's becoming real and we're not far away from flying is an amazing experience. I think the day-to-day demands of building a helicopter and a jet engine completely from scratch is extremely demanding. But seeing the joy in our staff and the joy in our 917 customers of seeing this thing becoming real and taking its first baby steps into flight more than offset that. It's definitely worth it.